guys, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys might have already guessed with the thumbnail of the video, today we are going to be recreating Alia Bhatt's glam makeup look. So Alia Bhatt is well known for her amazing acting skills, but she's also very well known for her extremely skin-like makeup. So today I'm going to be taking a take on her kind of a makeup look. So this is going to be a makeup artist's review of her makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. A quick disclaimer, I'm also going to be using all drugstore affordable products to create this amazing makeup look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's break down her routine. So she uses face mist. She uses like a really good high-end product. So I'm gonna tell you, face mist you can use a regular, moisturizing face mist, or for that matter rose water. I just use rose water because I love it. It just gives you that instant freshness. I'm gonna use a couple of drops of rose water. After this, I'm gonna jump into moisturizer. Again, she uses a really good moisturizer, which is very expensive. So the alternative for all of those moisturizer are my Emilyn cream. This gives you an amazing glass skin kind of an effect, and what we want for this video is the glow, and Emilyn does not fail to give you that glow. So I'm gonna use a generous layer of Emilyn, or for that matter you can use any moisturizer. Emilyn you get in all the pharmacies, and you can also check it out online. I'm gonna evenly apply Emilyn, and I'm gonna give it 5 seconds to just observe and give me that glow. So the second thing that she uses is sunscreen. I am using rice water niacinamide hybrid sunscreen by Plum. This has like SPF 50. So more than everything else, this has this beautiful consistency. Can you see it? I'm actually doing this makeup, I'm filming it on like evening. So I'm gonna use a very tiny amount of it. You please be generous if you're going out with your sunscreen. Again, why am I showing you this particular sunscreen is the texture of the sunscreen is not oily. This is very good to give you that extra glow onto your skin. So consider moisturizer and sunscreen, which is also hydrating. This has niacinamide, which is also a sunscreen plus a skincare product. So it's gonna give you like multiple benefits. So I'm gonna let this seep in my skin again 5 seconds, and I'll jump into my next step. So the next thing Alia Bhatt uses is highlighter, strobe cream. So she loves glow on her skin, so do I. So I'm using My Glam Spotlight Illuminating Highlighter. She used the Rare Beauty one. Both of this are like pretty similar with the shade and everything. I'm gonna take a little bit of on back of my hands and just put it on the high points of my face. Again, if your skincare is really good, if you do your skincare on a regular basis, glowing skin is something that is gifted for you. If you don't do your skincare but just want the glow to come with the makeup, whatever you do, your textures are going to be seen. So I'll tell you what you have to do with this textured skin with the same makeup at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So the next thing Alia Bhatt uses is the skin tint. I am short of skin tint right now. I've run out of skin tint. So I'm going to show you guys how I make skin tint in just a couple of seconds. So the quick and easy way to make your skin tint is, first I'm going to use the same highlighter, the illuminating highlighter, illuminizer, strobe cream, everything works. The second thing that I'm going to put in here is very little bit amount of my primer, and obviously my Emilyn, little bit of my Emilyn cream, and last but not the least, a weightless foundation. why am I telling weightless foundation is you don't want to look cakey, but still you want to look like you have done something for your face and just look naturally beautiful. So this is my skin tint in just like couple of seconds. I'm gonna now evenly apply this onto my skin and use my fingers to blend this in. Make sure you evenly apply it and blend it so that there is no patchiness on your skin. It hardly takes couple of seconds to like seep into your skin. So just use your finger and blend it thoroughly. So you can see the demarcation line here, and just try to like blend it through your hairline just to make it look more seamless. So the next thing is concealer. So she uses NARS concealer if I'm not wrong. I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer. These are equally amazing. They give you like good coverage and everything. I wear spectacles, so I have like a little blemish over here. And I'm gonna brighten my under eye a little bit, like a tiny bit amount. I'm using the shade 04 and N01 from Swiss Beauty. This is N01 is little darker. So this is all the concealer that I'm going to be using. So if you're somebody who wants to skip the concealer, go for it, just skip the concealer. And I'm going to use my fingers to blend this first. So I have my hack over here. I'm going to take a puff like this and spray it with either setting mist or the regular mist and try and blend this all together. So the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is blush. Alia uses this cream blush, but I am gonna switch the cream blush with my tinted lip balm. So this is by Pro Touch. This is an amazing product that I've ever come across. It's like, so there is like a tip for application, and I'm gonna take it and apply it onto my cheeks. This is red, but when you blend it, it's gonna look really amazing. As Alia said, even I love a lot of blush. It just gives you that healthier looking skin. But equally important, if you start icing your face every day, you will get same kind of result without makeup as well. So I don't know whether it's like evident on camera, but I think this is enough. So right now I'm gonna put this on my lips as well at the end of the video. Now Alia also takes a same liquid illuminating highlighter again and just put it onto her skin. So if you are somebody who have texture, this is how you're supposed to do the makeup. So even if you don't have a texture, this is how symmetrically you have to do the makeup. You will have to start with liquid and cream products and keep the powder products at the end of the makeup. I'm just gonna put it onto the high parts of my face. You can see that instant glow. Now I'm going to be building up my blush and highlighter a little more. So I'm going to take this beautiful blush and the highlighter. This is a Swiss Beauty palette. It's the Ultra Blush palette. I'm going to take both of these things and just put it onto my skin a little, just so that it lasts the entire day. So those of you all have textured skin, I would suggest you not to use highlighter, that is powder highlighter. You can use a liquid highlighter or cream highlighter, that works for you. I would suggest you to skip the powder highlighter as it will make your texture look more evident. I'm using the Fit Me compact powder. I'm just gonna set my under eyes. One thing that Alia does is she takes the brush like this towards the inside. That is something that you have to avoid. You just have to dust all the product to the outside and just light hands. I'm gonna use the powder all over my skin. So now the last thing that I'm gonna be doing is contouring. They have this beautiful bronzy color. So this is from Swiss Beauty palette again. I'm just gonna go a little bit with my jawline. So far our base is done. Now I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the eyebrow palette by Hilary Rhoda. So you can use any eyebrow palette or any product for that matter. You can use pencils, you can use ink liners, and you can also use powder products the way I am using. I have a little hack over here. I just mix all the colors and start defining my brows a little. I'm just gonna fill in the brows. Just make sure you keep changing the way you hold the brush. Alia has a good thick brows, so even if she doesn't do anything, just like set her brows, it would look good. For people like me, it becomes very important to do their brows to just match the entire face. So I'm gonna use a spoolie and just blend it all in together. Look how eyebrows can just bring out that inner you in just like few seconds. So for the eye makeup, we have two options right now, either a brown or a pink, pretty pink eyeshadow. That is what she does in her makeup tutorial as well. You can use an eyeshadow, but for a little twist, because I'm keeping everything affordable, I'm trying to use the same blush palette that I used. We can use either this color over here or this color or this pinks over here. So I think today I'm gonna be going with both the colors. I'm just gonna mix them and just put it onto my eyelids. It gives you that rusty orange kind of an effect, which is super pretty. Just the excess product. I'm just gonna go in with very little amount of eyeshadow because it might take out the shine on my face. Circular motion and windshield wiper motion are the only two things that I'm focusing today onto my eyelids. And I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow onto the lower lash line the way Alia does, because people with hooded eyes need to do it so that it just brightens their eyes. I believe even I have a eyelid like a hooded eyes. Hooded eyes is basically the gap, the line that forms over here. So it's important for you to apply products which makes your eye look brighter and more evident. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is mascara. This is by My Glam. They have like really good mascara. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. I don't think curling is required for me at the moment. If you don't have curl lashes, you can also curl your lashes. No wonder this will become my go-to makeup look, because it looks more like skin and less like makeup. That is what I love and prefer. So the last but not the least thing is lips. She does this amazing trick which I am so in love with. She just applies a lipstick and just wipe it off. That gives her like very natural looking lips. I'm using this Pro Touch Lip Plumbing Pink Drop, which is my current favorite product. It is a lip tint but also gives you that extreme hydration and color. So if you're not a red lips person but still like wearing red lips on occasion, this is just for you. So it just gives you that such an amazing natural looking red lips. So to make this look more natural, we're gonna wipe this off. It just tingles a little when you apply. And now you can also use some nude lipstick and get the same exact look, which is gonna look amazing if you don't want to use red lipstick. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the end result. So yeah.